Ever wondered why some credit card terminals seem to have a mind of their own, throwing up inexplicable alerts and essentially halting your transactions? Well, you're not alone. Today, we delve into a common issue that has left many merchants scratching their heads: the notorious tamper alert of Dejavoo terminals. Picture this: a bustling cafe in the heart of the city. The barista, a merchant who has invested in a Dejavoo terminal, is processing payments at lightning speed. Suddenly, the terminal flashes a tamper alert. The queue grows longer, customers grow impatient, and the barista is left befuddled. This is not an isolated incident. In fact, it's a widespread issue that has left many merchants disgruntled. The problem lies with Dejavoo Terminals, a brand that has shown a consistent pattern of this peculiar behavior. Reports suggest that about 75% of these terminals throw up a tamper alert at least once. But what exactly is this tamper alert? It's an error message that pops up on the terminal, essentially locking it up until it's reset. The catch is, only Dejavoo can reset it, and they charge a hefty $90 for the service. The cause behind these alerts is unclear, leaving merchants in the dark and out of pocket. The case of a merchant representative sheds more light on this issue. They have had to replace nearly all their merchants' terminals at least once due to this persistent problem. Each time, Dejavoo charges for the reset, leading the representative to feel as if they're being scammed. If you're a merchant dealing with this situation, it might feel like you're stuck between a rock and a hard place. But there's light at the end of the tunnel. PAX units, for instance, have received glowing reviews for their seamless operation and lack of sudden tamper alerts. To summarize, the Dejavoo Terminal's tamper alert issue is a significant setback for many merchants. The unclear cause and the high reset fee only add to their woes. On the other hand, alternatives like the PAX units offer a reliable and seamless transaction experience. In the world of business, where time is money, such disruptions can cost dearly. The key is to stay informed, weigh your options, and make a choice that offers reliability and peace of mind. After all, in the fast-paced world of commerce, there's no room for unnecessary hiccups.